Hi everyone, good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss about the upcoming LIC IPO. We are going to see how much we should apply, how much listing gain we are going to get, and whether you should hold this stock for a long term or not, how much it should be hold. So like this, there are multiple questions which are in your mind. So we are going to discuss all of this one by one. So before going ahead, I request you all to go and watch my previous video also, which are 5 best stock to invest into the stock market right now, looking at the situation and levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty in this week. And next week also we are going to post the same video showing us the level for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let us go ahead. Hi, I am CA Jitesh Tiwari. Welcome to my channel. Here we discuss about the finance and equity market movements, that how it can perform into the future. So without taking much of your time, let us move ahead and start our analysis of LIC. So as you all know, LIC is one of the largest and oldest insurance provider in India. It has the market share of around 66% and more. So LIC generally offers the insurance product, which is like ULIP, guaranteed investment plan, saving insurance product, term insurance product, health insurance, annuity, and pension product like this. And LIC is a very household name for all of us. As of 31st September 2021, LIC has the AUM of 39 lakh crore. AUM means asset under management. So this means 39 lakh crores asset, which is in the form of investment in other shares or bonds and many other things, which LIC has and it maintains. This is a very huge amount. LIC operate through its branches, which is more than 2000, 113 are divisional office and so on and so forth. And it also operate globally also in many of the places like Fiji and Mauritius and Bangladesh and Singapore. So what is good for this IPO? So first of all, so LIC is a part insurance and part investment product company. So all of its different kind of product other than ULIP generally gives the return of around 5 to 8%, and which can vary based upon product to product. ULIP generally gives certain higher amount of return because itself names it is a unit link, so its amount goes into the equity market also, and many with the guaranteed plans and some other things also. Second big asset, LIC has its agents, which are like 13.5 lakhs and more. It's a quite a huge number, and this agent generally takes the front foot and bring the business for the LIC. Third point is LIC is obviously having the high trust into our Indian market because LIC is one of the first one to offer the insurance product in India. Next one is LIC manage the asset of around 39 lakh crores, which is the quite a big amount, and this money is more than the whole mutual fund industry combined. So you can understand the amount which LIC has in its portfolio, and this amount LIC invest into the different stock and bonds also. So around 4% of all the listed stock in India and government bonds are owned by the LIC. So you can understand how much LIC has its importance into this market. LIC is a leading insurance provider with the fifth largest in global, and it has a very various kind of insurance product also. Now all this was the good and the favor of LIC. Let us talk about the actual problems or actual hurdles which we see in this company. So first of all, LIC is a government owned company. You can see the promoter is the President of India, so it is a wholly government owned company, due to which the any policy growth or any decision making also get hampered, and the LIC is lagging behind issuing or coming up with the new policy in a very short period of time, whereas the other private market player are coming in the market with the new and different kind of policy in very short span of time. Second thing is margin in insurance plus investment product is low. So you need to understand this is not a simple business which you can understand with the simple purchasing and selling of product where you can get the profit. It's about how much you are going to get it as a premium from the insured person, and when something happens you need to give it back to them also, whatever the insured amount is, and if not, then in money back guarantee or in ULIP plan also you need to provide them certain basic or certain minimum returns. So that is also you need to recover, you need to earn that much of money. So this become very much difficult also. It's not that much of easy. Second thing, the valuation of LIC is very much difficult to ascertain because, as I said, it has a AUM of around 39 lakh crore. The business of LIC is not a simple and straightforward, due to which it's become very difficult to actually get the valuation of the LIC. Another thing is this, LIC is losing market share with its private player because there are many private players who are growing day by day, like HDFC Life, SBI Life and ICICI Life and many more are there which are very much proactive and coming up with a different product as soon as possible, due to which LIC is actually losing its market share over a period of time, and that is one of the main concern for the future also. Now let us come and see the financials of the company. So here the 4 years of financial has been provided, 3 full years and one is around 9 months financial has been provided. So you can see over here total asset of LIC, which was in March 19 was 33 lakh crore, which has increased to March 20 as a 34 lakh crore and 37 lakhs in March 21, and in December 21 it was 40 lakh crore. So we can see the numbers are very much big. Same as goes with the profit also. In March 9 it was around 2600 crore, in March 20 is what 2700, and March 21 2900 crore, and in December 21 it is 1700 crore. Looking at this, it's look like it's growing and it's good for the company. Objective of the issue. So the main aim of this issue is to carry out offer for sale around 3.5% of its total equity, and the money will go to the government. So you can see the earlier it was the 100% holding, and post issue it will be around 96.5, so around 3.5 holding is going to dilute and will go to the investors. IPO will get open on 4th of May and will close on 9th of May. The face value of the share is rupees 10. IPO price is 902 to 949 per equity shares. 15 shares will make of one lot, so it will be around 14,235 will make your one lot. After that, listing in both the exchange NSE and BSE, and everything will go to offer for sale as I said. Here the main thing and the beneficial thing is that the retail investor will get around 45 rupees discount per share, and employee discount will get 45 rupees per share. And so effective price will go, and we see that retailer will effective price will go as a 904 in the place of 949 because 45 rupee discount, and policy holder will get 60 rupee discount, 15 rupees additional discount they will get, and it will be 889. So it become very much favorable for the policy holder if you have connected your PAN number with your policy. Now all this is all the financials, and we talked about the LIC IPOing, what is good and what is bad for it. Now if you talk about the what we should do. So looking at the market volatility and market sentiment as well as liquidity in the market, because you need to understand till last year we have got more than 15 plus IPO listed into the exchange, so that the liquidity has been taken out from the retailers or from the market. So you need to understand the liquidity position also, and looking at the market sentiment also, which is not very much in the favor. But I feel that you should apply for this IPO for a single lot from different account of your family members, so that your probability of getting the IPO will get increased, because it will be beneficial for the first of all people who has the policy, because you will get the policy holders discount and special rate. Second thing, it can give you the listing gain of around 30 to 40% maximum. After that it is become very much difficult, because looking at the market also people might start the profit booking. So I will suggest you, if you get the good amount of listing gain, kindly exit your 50% of holding and hold your 50% in your portfolio only, because if heavy profit booking will come, the price may go below your listing price also. At that position you won't incur the loss because you already booked the 50% of gain. And in other case, and if it goes upward also, you can enjoy the ride in the profit. So in both the cases you will be in the win-win situation. So that is all my advice to you all. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and also go and watch my upcoming video also, which will be on Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the next week, which we will upload shortly. And thank you very much. God bless you all.